Okay, so doing more of the door. Just going to take the lock out and start sanding it down. Alright. And just so I don't forget, pull this off, that off. These are biased all the way backwards. Alright, so here's the door. I'm going to have to hammer and dolly that eventually. Pull around the lock. Where the handle, it's all kind of pushed out. And now we sand. Without hopefully making a giant freaking mess. But I don't think that's possible. And just drilling out the rivets. Alright, so I started sanding this off. Wasn't really too bad, but then I noticed my paper started to clog up, and I remember hearing about this on some of the other guys. Is it lacquer or enamel that clogs up your paper? This is 80 grit. I'll look on some of the other vids, but any input would be appreciated. I got one of these. I don't have a crud thug thingy. I got a metal version over there somewhere. I got this, and I can put this on the 4-inch grinder, and I'm worried about tearing shit up with that, but I know they do a nice job. Any input would be appreciated. I'll take a break here, and I think I'll try and finish the rest of it outside, because don't want the wife getting pissed. Well, do as best I can. Alright, so from techno to bluegrass, it's all on the iPod.